Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mixology Made Easy. Hey everybody, Kevin Howe from Visibility and Contributor Rewards here. Today I'm going to make you a hometown hero by showing you how to make a twist on the most popular drink around, the Margarita. This one is twisted with some Mezcal in it. I think it's going to blow your mind. So I've been on a personal quest to make the best Margarita known to mankind for more years than is wise to admit. Today's twist on the Margarita comes from an experience I had at PMDMC 2019 in Dallas. I went out to dinner with some clients and friends from KQED and WDET and went to this nice Mexican restaurant. I ordered a smoked Mezcal cocktail, purely for research of course. A few minutes later, the server comes over to the table, sets down this square glass terrarium looking thing, reaches around, opens the door on the front of it, and smoke pours out onto the table. And it revealed my Mezcal cocktail sitting in the middle of this. I was utterly gobsmacked. I was so impressed that literally I went back to the hotel room, went on Amazon, and ordered my own cocktail smoking gear so it would be there when I got home so I could start experimenting with this. Let's get into it. We're going to start with an ounce of Mezcal. We're going to use the Espadín variety of Mezcal, which is actually the least expensive and the smokiest. I like it a lot. This bottle is from Trader Joe's. It's a very nice bottle. The more common one that you'll probably find in your area is called El Silencio, but there's a lot of different Espadines. Fool around, have some fun with it. Next comes an ounce of tequila. I would recommend using either silver or reposado and not using añejo. I wouldn't use añejo because it has such a strong flavor that it will fight with the other flavors in this drink instead of blending with them well. Next, we're going to do an ounce of triple sec. Follow that up with an ounce of Margarita mix. Use the one you like best. And then a splash of fresh orange juice. You don't have to measure this. That's good. All right, last ingredient, and I'm going to show you a trick, is the juice of a lime. Now you can get a lot more juice out of a lime if you roll it really hard on the counter first. Makes it nice and squishy inside so that when you squeeze it, you're going to get about 50% more juice out of it. This will probably give you about 3/4 of an ounce to an ounce of lime juice. Now we got all our ingredients in the glass. We're going to add some ice. And we are going to give this sucker a vigorous banging. Get it nice and cold. All right. Now, to save a little time, I have pre-salted the rim of this good-looking glass with salt and chipotle powder. Now you can just use salt if you want. So we're going to strain this cocktail into here. There we go. Now for this next part, you're going to need two things, one of which you probably already have at home. Something like this, a glass dome and something to set it on. The other thing you probably don't have at home, which is a smoking gun, which by the way has uses for cooking and also cocktail making. So we're going to take our beautiful cocktail, set it inside of our dome here, carefully set that back on there, and then we're going to take the end of this hose, slide it under the edge of the glass, and get our smoker going. Nice and full of smoke. Okay, and now for the big reveal. If you didn't just impress your guests, you need new friends. All right. Oh, that is amazing. It has been my pleasure sharing my love of great cocktail making with you guys. There are 2 other mixology videos sprinkled throughout the PMDMC schedule. I hope you check them out. Cheers.